exciting segment at Parrot Wisdom because we have hopped into the Creativity Marathon and we are ready to explore all about expression and creativity. Today in Parrot Wisdom, we are going to talk about parrots and art. Parrots are widely significant in the world of art and crafts. Typically in art, parrots are usually depicted with women, still life painting, and scientific drawings. Scientific drawings had parrots as a worthy sample of study, and artists studied them in relation to their anatomy and color. A famous example of this is The Green Parrot by Van Gogh. This piece was associated with the realism art movement as the artist's skillful use of bold and contrasting colors along with the subdued background brings a sense of life and dynamism to the parrot. The use of parrots in still life paintings is to connect parrots with the material world, wealth and trade. Some of the examples of this is the Still Life with Parrot and the Still Life with Pygmy Parrot by George Fledgel. In the representations of women with parrot, a connection was made between women and caged birds, suggesting seduction. An example of such is The Couple with Parrot by Peter D. Hoosh. It also hinted an element of decoration and texture, especially the soft skin and silky intimate gowns worn by women. Example of this is Young Lady by Edward Manet. Parrots have been widely admired in crafts and have been popularly used as a symbol of vanity by people, flaunting parrot portraits, home decors and ornaments with parrots for the cause. In the Mughal era, parrots were symbolic of the opulence of the Mughal court, the lushness of paradise, and thus were widely exhibited in the corners of their palace and robes of their begums as a sign of richness and abundance. Having known the significance of parrots in art and crafts, would it not be exciting to enjoy a fun-filled ride on art and crafts as a means of expression? Yes, with this we begin the first event of our Creativity Marathon, which is on art and craft. If this excites you, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook and stay tuned to know more.